Sorry. So, hi everyone, thank you for coming, and thank you to anyone who is online today. Today we have Rohan, who is a PhD student here at Book, and today he's going to show us how to use Obsidian, Zotero, and also Git. So thank you, Rohan, because I had to ask him this week, and he made some decisions for today. So 30 minutes. Yeah, thank you. You have 20 minutes.
Yes. Okay, so
I use Zotero. Me too.
and Obsidian.
I just
No, I know.
used it, but I didn't understand it.
Okay, perfect. Yeah. So he is the one who showed me this, and then I've been working on it. Is to hopefully tell you what is the why I found it interesting. So uh, notes in that PDF, and you save that PDF. PhD applications or any sort of application. The same. Do you have a system? I uh, gigabytes. So you have map that structure in come. So I think many people know Zotero, or some people use Mendeley, or browser if you want to. It has direct. Word documents, and it has cross-linking. And there's folders, basically. After debugging is, I go to and how they process it chips. So now LSSD. You don't just go through it. And the reason thesis, which has all the papers that I read, and the cool thing about Zotero, you go to archive, you can just click on this, which is this. Yeah. For Safari, in my case, sadly, or the paper that I read. So, for Astro PhD, ChatGPT and asked it to here, need overwhelming because you liked, what categorization do you like? AI, so I so Zotero, all the notes. For example, all the notes that I've it defends me. open on Chrome webpage and all of those sections.
I have a question. I don't know if for now or later, but is there a way to connect Zotero with the ADS libraries?
So like downloading the ADS.
Yeah, like for example, I use ADS, but I have like libraries for
Yeah.
research. Everything is there.
I mean, there should.
Okay.
I would need to.
Okay.
Because you could download,
Okay. Sorry.
so you can. Get started. And they work. All of this, my secondary brain is on. So, for example, this is called PhD thesis Obsidian. So I have
That public, or you have to share it specifically with the person?
no. So if you create private GitHub repos, or you can create a public if you want. I like to keep it private. Is what is so multiple plugins that you can have. So or template. So this basically takes the setup Git. You can use these slides. I'll share all the slides information.
The data space in GitHub won't be an issue for all the nodes.
No, it's
No.
just you upload. I don't know.
Okay.
You can also put.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so you should be fine.
It's like one.
But that is
Okay.
Yeah, I guess.
You could also But you could. What happens on that day, and then you can connect with this. So, for example, I browse, select. There I've more than 20 minutes if we want to do this. If you want to migrate all that I'm putting in, and they're all automatically. So
Can you use Zotero and Obsidian on like your phone or?
yeah, they have Zotero integration, but they have Zotero Cloud,
Yeah.
but you have to pay for the cloud because all that information is on the Zotero Cloud. That's why I
For me, it's easier to take notes like writing.
Mhm.
So even if I always prefer instead of typing, I need to write. So I always use like an iPad or a pen
Yeah.
to write on the paper. So I was thinking this is very useful, but if I can use it on an iPad or something.
I mean, what you could do. So, for example,
Okay.
on my computer, and then it automatically takes in
Oh, yeah. Okay.
the notes.
Great.
I have a comment on that. The only problem is that Zotero has like a lot of memory, but if you want to use it, for example, in your computer, and then you want to use it in another place, the cloud that Rohan talks about,
It's very
I have for example, it happens to me. I have like some papers in my computer that I can open only my computer, and then if you click it in another like with the tablet, it's going to link it to the ADS page. You have to download the paper.
Oh, okay.
So it only saves like the reference. So if you want, for example, use a Zotero to make a bit for your paper, it's going to save all of the papers, no matter if you have the PDF or not. But the PDF is only in the place where you put the PDF.
Okay.
it's kind of a pain in the ass when I learned that because I was like, downloading like 300 papers and then I don't have them anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
but
Like part. So I already like highlighted a lot of papers, but maybe since I saw how you did it here, like like you link like the note that you put, and then it does this right. Like the blue highlights is important thing, and
Yeah.
So okay, so I will have to like for the rest from now on, like have a system, and the other papers, like I can like just import them even if the
so
the
how do you mean
highlights-
you? Yeah, I open. Right.
Yeah.
So it's able to import.
Okay, yeah. So it doesn't
It
matter.
automatically imports everything. Whatever you highlight in text, it's how you have this.
Like thinking because you gave Obsidian like the instructions that the yellow is the key findings and all of
No,
that
no,
stuff.
no. It's just the way I like to do. I there maybe there's a way. Or for example, name of the color. Well, you can work it the templater to be around that note.
Adapt it for my like
You can format how you want the annotations to be made. So that's and one cool thing. Yeah, so that's adding my few adding more equipment.
no more questions. Okay,
For me, no answers.
yeah, upload. No more questions? Okay, so thank you, Rohan, again. And of course, we will post all of these in our webpage. Yeah, I think we have all the videos being uploaded now. So if any of you missed the the other Python meetings, everything is going to be online. And also, of course, thank you for everyone who connected. And If anyone is watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel, leave a like, leave a comment. So thank you everyone for coming and see you next week.
Bye.